Welcome back guys to my channel, and this is Ganbei channel. First, before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Okay. I just want to tell you guys, I'm not promoting a fake or bootleg Beyblade on my channel. I'm just showing it and compare it to show you guys what's the difference on it from the Takara or in the Flame brand or SB brand or RPDT. I'm just showing the difference. I'm not promoting a fake Beyblade on this channel. Just I'm showing just the differences. Okay. So now we will gonna unbox today a Superking Beyblade from Flame brand. This is Curse Satan. In Takara Tomy version, this Beyblade came from Random Booster, I think. But in the Flame brand, it has the own box. So this is the box. Pretty big. As you can see, it's already destroyed because of the shipping process or the courier of the shipping. Okay, let's open it. Oh, before we open it, this is the combo. It has the Satan chip, the curse, the ring. The frame is one defense, and the driver is universe. So let's open it. This is Flame brand. This is the Beyblade with one plastic, and it comes with stickers and nothing else inside. Then it comes with ripcord, and let's fix it. It's pretty short. This is a left and right launcher, and also it is a sparking launcher. You can see, and that's the right right spin, and this is the left spin. Take note, this is a Flame brand. So let's open the plastic. I think we got a correct combo. First, this is the ring and the chip. Let's unbuild it. So this is the ring. Okay, this is the gimmick. These wheels beside its functioning, really good functioning. And as you can see, this is not just a typical screw. And next is the chip, Satan chip. I think in the Takara Tomy, this I don't know what you call this part. It comes with the purple, I think purple. I don't know. Just comment down below. Okay, let's. This is a right spin. Second, this is the frame, one defense, capable with left and right spin. At the back, as you can see, there's the teeth, and this one is Hurricane. Yeah, I think this is Hurricane from, I think this is from Bushin Ashura. Yep, I thought so. And it's spinning like this. Okay, last one is the universe driver. Yeah, it's spinning. This part is spinning also, and this part. When I hold this, and it can rotate also the tip. How's the spring? It's pretty good. Okay. We're lucky it has the correct combo. Let's build it. This is the frame itself. Right. Wow. I like the build quality of this Beyblade. Oh, how could I tighten the driver? It's moving. And it's it's tight, you know. How could I? Hmm. Well, I'll be back, and I'll just show you how it's very tight, you know, guys. I'll be back. Just a sec. So there you have it. I already attached the driver. So the technique I use is you have to hold both this part and the driver, so it can uh, lock easily. So I got the technique. So this is the curse Satan. This is the combo. Soon I will gonna battle test this. It's functioning. This part, and also the driver, and also the tip. They all they all rotating. Also this one, these small wheels. And let's compare on the Brave Valkyrie. Okay, this is a right spin Beyblade. I like this Brave Valkyrie. It's so powerful. So there you have it, guys. The unboxing of Curse Satan from Flame brand. So I hope you like the unboxing. So soon I will unbox another Superking Beyblade from Flame brand, and also I will buy a Takara version of these Beyblades and compare it to show you guys. To show it to you guys. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Stay safe. And again, I will not I'm not promoting this fake Beyblades. I'm just showing to you guys the differences from original to fake. That's all. I'm not promoting a fake Beyblade, okay? So thank you guys for watching and see you soon.